9 a.m.
Your voice pump.
That's it, Terrance. We're going to the doctor. Okay. Chew. Hey, Terrance, I think your allergies are getting worse. Nonsense, Pumpkins. I'm totally fine. Terrance? Oh my sweet lord. Terrance, are you okay? Help me. 2 hours later.
Through whatever loopholes that may be there.
Come on, Terrance, let's go inside.
What is happening?
Doctor! Huh? My friend needs help urgently. Okay. But that's no excuse to barge in here willy-nilly. You're supposed to wait. Terrance! Oh my sweet lord! Hurry! Rush this kid to the emergency care unit. Stat! Hop! Ho! Will Terrance be okay? I don't really know, but that sneeze-uritis is gone to his body. We have to disinfect it now. He's gonna need surgery. Oh my god. Sorry, but you can't come in. Oh. Don't worry, Cat. Your friend will be just fine. We just have to do a simple procedure. You can wait in the waiting room. You can wait in the waiting room if you like. Thanks, Doc. Oh. Meanwhile, I never seen a case like this. Oh my god, I never seen a case like this before. Me either. We'll have to pour on Plan X. No, not Plan X. That procedure never been tested before. We'll have to take that chance. It's better than little hope is better than no hope at all. 5 to 10 hours of surgery later. So how did it go? It was a success. It was very, very close, but he pulled through. Wanna come see him? Yes! Terrance? Fluffykins? Trust me. It was a success. But we can't find what's making him sneeze. Yeah, achoo! Ew, snot. Wait, that's not snot. That's pollen. It looked like the pollen that was stuck in his nose. So that's what's making you sneeze. Indeed. So that's what's making me sneeze the whole time. Yes, this can cause severe sneeze-uritis. So, Terrance, there's a lesson to be learned from all this. Yeah, that smelling flowers are for wimps. Aww. I wanted to say it. Oh well. Now we have the pollen. Everything is okay. I'm just glad this is all over with.